The Chinese are using this as a propaganda to quell the ongoing demonstrations and the uprising in Tibet, saying that if you don't stop, then the Dalai Lama will resign. What His Holiness has actually said is that if Tibetans resort to violence to vent their rightful sentiments, then if the majority of the Tibetans resort to violence, if the majority of the Tibetans feel that violence is the way to solve the Tibetan issue, then he will resign. Please feel that you are, we resolved that to show our solidarity and our support to the ongoing movement in Tibet, from now onwards, from yesterday onwards, we will now centralize all the Tibetan movements outside Tibet. Tibetans who are outside Tibet, in India, in Nepal, in Bhutan, in foreign countries, in other foreign countries, they will carry out the solidarity movement under a particular committee. We have set up a committee which is called the Tibet Crisis Committee.
The government in exile has taken a joint decision, the parliament and the cabinet jointly, that at such a time of crisis, we are not going to talk about independence or autonomy. We are just going to put all of our efforts together to find a solution to restoration of human value inside Tibet, to protect human life inside Tibet, and also to see that there is an independent, international investigation into the happening inside Tibet.